What's going on YouTube? It's Mikey here coming back to you with another video, and today we're going to be going over what I think are 5 ways you can improve your stream right now. Let's get into the video. Let's just get into it. Number 1, get a webcam. For the longest time, I used the Logitech C922. It's a wonderful mic, wonderful microphone. It's a camera. It's a wonderful webcam. I still use it for like Zoom meetings, conference calls, school. It could be another camera angle idea. Okay, you could have multiple angles of cameras. You could have it like facing down on your mouse, your controller. You could have it like here or here. You can do the different camera angles. You get what I'm saying. All right, number 2, good audio. Number 2, good audio. Before I went with the Shure MV7X and the full Go XLR and the XLR setup, I used for the longest time the Elgato Wave 3. It's a wonderful USB mic, has a wonderful software. It's not really bad on the wallet. Another viable option would be the Blue Yeti or the Yeti Snowball or the Blue Snowball. Those two wonderful USB mics, plug and play. You can adjust some of the settings in OBS to maybe make it sound a little better, add some noise gate, noise filters, compression, a little bit of gain. Bada bing, bada boom. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Anyways, number 3, lighting. Lighting's very important. You can take a really good lighting setup and turn a crappy camera into a magnificent camera. Okay. Like I said before, I went with the Sony a6400 and the Sigma 16mm lens. I was using the Logitech C922 Pro, which is a webcam. Had to play with the white balance. Logitech has a wonderful software where you can add filters and stuff that'll help too. But the lighting is very important. You see like how half my face is shadowed and the other half is fully illuminated? I did that on purpose. It adds like a dimension to this video. Just like having all this lighting behind me, good lighting in front of me, really helps add to the effect of this video, like as far as visually goes. One thing I would add though is maybe have like an accent light, like a blue or a orange back here shining directly on the back of my head. That would definitely improve a lot. Anyways, lighting's key. Do that. Number 4, create a schedule, consistent schedule. Have a consistent schedule. Consistently schedule, be it stream or content. My advice to you, go get a day planner, start writing down content ideas that you want to do each day to get those out. It helps streamline everything. It'll get everything organized. And if you can have a consistent stream schedule and people like you, they will come back because they know, hey, Garza streams from 4 to 10 p.m. hypothetically speaking. So I'm gonna go check him out. He's on right now. Say it's like 7. He's on right now. I'm gonna go check him out. Consistent stream schedule. Okay. And number 5, believe in yourself. All this doubt, all this fear you're going through, just press play. Create consistent content. Improve yourself. Improve your mind. Learn new stuff. Try new stuff. Think outside the box. Try to look. The biggest thing with content creation is there's people that have problems and we're here to solve them. Okay. Always have that mindset when creating content. Okay. You're trying to answer somebody's question or solve somebody's problem. That's how you become an effective content creator. Stop making selfish content. Start making meaningful content and believing in yourself. But that's all I got for you today. That's my 5 things I think that can improve your live stream immediately. I'll link all the equipment that I mentioned in the description below. They're not going to be affiliate links, promise. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.